Hey, what's up? This is Tech Brothers. Finally, OnePlus released its new flagship phone called OnePlus 6. The main feature of new phone is bezel-less display with a notch. Many people don't like a notch, but the fact that it is a new trend. Today many Chinese phones have notches. You could already see the comparisons of OnePlus 6 and Galaxy S9, iPhone X, Huawei P20 and others. But what about Xiaomi Black Shark? It is the latest flagship phone from Xiaomi and it has many similar things with OnePlus 6. So let's compare these phones and find out which is better to buy in 2018. Right now you can write in comments below which phone you like more, and after watching video leave the comment again. Do you agree with our comparison or not? Let's start. Xiaomi Black Shark is a gaming phone, so it has very unusual design. This phone is bigger and thicker than OnePlus 6 because there is home button with fingerprint reader under the display. Also, it doesn't have a notch and top bezels takes up more space. The smartphone is made of metal. You can see dual rear camera, flashlight and big S logo on the back. If we talk about OnePlus 6, this is classic phone with simple and minimalistic design. The display occupies almost whole front panel, however it has a notch with front camera above the display, just like iPhone X, Huawei P20 and other flagship phones. Some people don't like a notch, while another don't care about it. The front and back panels of OnePlus 6 are made of glass, and there is a metal frame. The dual vertical camera, flashlight and fingerprint reader are located on the back side. OnePlus 6 received completely new design with thin bezels around the display, a notch and even glass back panel. As you can see, Xiaomi Black Shark and OnePlus 6 have completely different design. The first phone is more aggressive, bigger and looks durable, while OnePlus 6 is stylish and elegant phone with glass back panel. I cannot choose a winner because they are completely different, so I will give both phones by 1 point. One of the biggest change in OnePlus 6 is a notch above the display. In general, new phone has 6.28 inches screen with Full HD Plus resolution, 1080 by 2280 pixels and 19 by 9 aspect ratio. The screen-to-body ratio is about 83.8%. This is Optic AMOLED panel with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. As for Xiaomi Black Shark, it doesn't have a notch, but it has less screen-to-body ratio, 76%. There is 5.99-inch display with Full HD Plus resolution, 1080 by 2160 pixels. Also, this is 18 by 9 aspect ratio. By the way, both phones have almost the same pixel density, 402 ppi in OnePlus 6 and 403 ppi in Black Shark. I have no doubts these devices come with high-quality displays. However, OnePlus 6 has AMOLED panel and higher screen-to-body ratio, so I prefer this phone. It receives the next point from me. Do you agree? Write in comments below. Xiaomi Black Shark is a gaming phone, but it has the same chipset, Snapdragon 845, 6 or 8 GB of RAM and 64 or 128 GB of internal memory as OnePlus 6. So we can say that OnePlus 6 is also a gaming phone. By the way, there is also a model with 256 GB of storage from OnePlus company. You can say that Xiaomi Black Shark has a unique cooling system, but you can watch reviews on YouTube that it is not very useful. So the last feature of Xiaomi Black Shark as a gaming phone is a gaming controller. However, you can buy a gaming controller from other manufacturer and use it with OnePlus 6. It is not a problem. So I believe that OnePlus 6 is the same gaming phone as Xiaomi Black Shark. Some words about software. OnePlus 6 runs on latest Android 8.1 Oreo with Oxygen user interface. Xiaomi Black Shark runs on Android 8.0 with JOY user interface. Both of them have its own features, and it will take a long time to compare software. It is very difficult to choose a winner in this category, because both phones have the same AnTuTu result, about 270,000 points, and gaming performance. Also, both of them don't support microSD memory cards. I will give these phones by 1 point each, because they are very similar in hardware. Xiaomi Black Shark called gaming phone, but also it has high-quality cameras. There is 12-megapixel main sensor with f1.8 aperture and 20-megapixel secondary sensor with the same aperture on the back. Also, this phone is equipped with 20-megapixel front camera and f2.2 aperture. If we talk about OnePlus 6, it comes with 16 and 20 megapixel sensors on the back and f1.7 aperture. On the front panel you can find 16-megapixel sensor with f2.0 aperture. We already saw some real photos from both phones, and OnePlus 6 really takes better photos than Xiaomi Black Shark. You can see sample images on your screen. I'm a little disappointed of battery of OnePlus 6. It has a capacity of 3300 mAh. Of course, the battery life will depend on software optimization and using. However, I expect bigger battery from flagship phone in 2018. From other side, OnePlus 6 supports fast charging technology Dust Charge. As for Xiaomi Black Shark, it has a bigger battery of 4000 mAh. It also supports fast charging technology, but another one called Quick Charge 3.0. As already said, the battery life will depend on software optimization, but I believe that Black Shark will work longer. And the last category for this comparison is the price. The cheapest price of OnePlus 6 on AliExpress is $623, while Xiaomi Black Shark you can buy for about $557. OnePlus 6 went on sale some days ago, so it is more expensive than Black Shark. However, I think the price will drop in some weeks. Right now, Black Shark is cheaper than OnePlus 6, so it receives the last point from me. As you can see, OnePlus 6 and Xiaomi Black Shark have by 4 points each. Actually, these phones have the same chipset, RAM and storage. However, they come with completely different design. OnePlus 6 has better camera, while Black Shark comes with bigger battery. Xiaomi gaming phone is a little cheaper, but the difference is not too much. I think that design will play the most important role when choosing a phone. Thanks for watching. Which is better phone for you? Write in comments below. Thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.